This is compilation footage of our 2017 ride where we went to Namibia. We spent 2.5 weeks up here. It's a fantastic part of the world. I can go back every year, to be quite honest. This is also the second largest canyon in the world. It's called the Fish River Canyon. Very unprotected, as you can see. One just literally drives up to the edge. So my first challenge was to make sure that Alan didn't ride off the edge and didn't fall off the edge. But it was a fantastic trip, this. Namibia is such a land of contrasts. It's twice the size of Texas with just 2.5 million people. So these long stretches where you don't see anybody or anything other than local wildlife. What makes Namibia so special is the fact that they have hundreds and hundreds of miles and this quiet roads that are really well kept and nobody out there. It's an absolute adventure rider's paradise. I find my mind drifts so much when I'm out here. These vistas, this open space, the quiet, the smell of the country. There's so much to. A lot of people may think that there's nothing out here. I think there's a lot out here, and it's only every time I'm here that I actually feel this and see this. It's an absolute revelation for me. We're two schoolmates that have known each other for over 40 years. And we're very fortunate to be able to do these trips. We also have the time and the energy to do it. And our common love of motorcycles through all these years has helped make these trips possible. And Namibia is just such an easy place to ride, especially if you've got the right equipment. And we've been working on these things for years to make them suitable for what we need. And so far, I must say, a combination of an old Africa twin and a new Africa twin. They're both great bikes out here. Well, I hope you like this compilation. Some of the places you've seen here is the Fish River Canyon, the Fish River Lodge, and right at the end here, the most incredible place, Canyon Village, which is in the southern part of Namibia. One of my favorites, and I will certainly be returning to it. Just to see this in the morning is what it's all about.